Hey G-Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool around here, and pretty much what this is Oscillating tower fan. If you can see for the one that we got right here, it is a 42-inch Oscillating tower fan that also gives you guys remote control. And right here they do show you the image of what the product looks like. On the side right here they do provide guys some specs and features about the product. So I mentioned how there's 3 different speed levels. It provides guys remote control, but the battery is not included. You do need to use 2 AAA batteries in order for it to use it. It does have 3 different wind modes: normal, natural, and sleep. It has a 7-hour timer option, and it has a power off option that actually turns off by itself if you guys want to use that option. And they mentioned how it is convertible, so that way you guys can actually use it at a 36-inch or 42-inch when you guys do adjust the plate that's on the bottom, which is pretty cool. But when you guys first get the product, here is what the product looks like. What I'm doing right now is open up to show you guys what the inside looks like and what is included, and show you guys what's actually included first. Alright, so let's take it out. First, the inside right here, we do have the remote control. Like I mentioned, it does require 2 AAA battery, which is not included, so you need to have your own. So I'll get my own battery in a second. Next, the inside right here, we do have the plate dimensions, so that way you can make it from 36-inch to 42-inch if you guys do want to, which is pretty nice. The next thing underneath that, they do have the protection layer to protect the product, and then we do have the product. So let's take it out. So once you guys take it out, here is what the product looks like. And inside we do have more stuff. So inside we do have a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And on the side of the product we do have the feet. You can see how it's well protected. But we actually do have the wrapper. This is what the bottom part looks like. So here's this side and here's the other side. And when you guys do feel the material, it's actually pretty high quality, which is pretty nice. So that's pretty much everything inside. Let's put this on one side for now. And what I'm doing is tear out the wrapper for here. Once you guys do remove the wrapper, this is what the product looks like. So this is the front part where the air come out, and this is the back part where the air can get sucked in. Right here on the bottom is where you guys want to screw on the feet. So literally all you do is untwist the part here, because we want to loosen it up first. Once you guys loosen up, you're going to put the feet on the bottom. So I'm actually do that first. So the first thing you guys want to do is to put the feet together like this. You guys want to lock it in. Make sure it fits the hole on the bottom. Same thing for this side. And there's a part for you guys to lock it in that you guys can also release later on, should you guys need to. But once you guys got it in, this is what the part looks like. So now you can put this on the bottom, just like that, and just twist the bottom part here to lock it in. Once you guys got it in, this is what the bottom part looks like. So now you guys are all set with the bottom part of the feet. And then for this tape right here, you can feel free to remove the tape. I think those are just protection layer to stick on, so that way it doesn't get damaged when you guys do get it. And then right here is what the top part looks like. So for this one, if you can see, it also has the button control for you guys to press. So there's a power button, the fan speed button, the oscillating option, the different mode option, and the timer option. And here we do have a tape you guys want to remove as well. So once you guys remove it, that is what the product looks like. In the back part right here, they do have a slot for you to use that handle to carry around really easily, which is really convenient. And that is pretty much everything that's on the product. So like I mentioned, for the product, it does allow you guys to use it as a 36-inch fan, or you can use it as 42. If you guys do set up like this, it'll be 36. If you guys do use this option right here, you guys can make it to 42. Let me show you how to do it. So I'm gonna take out the wrapper here, and we'll move everything to one side for now. So what you're gonna do, unscrew the bottom part to take it out. Once you guys take it out, you guys wanna screw this part right here in the bottom. This side will go in right here. So just like that. So once you guys screw in like that, then you put that on the feet. So the feet goes right here. It only fits one way. And you guys wanna lock it back in. So just like that, it's all set. So now you guys do have a 42-inch tower fan if you guys want to use like this. So for this test, we'll just leave it as is to show you guys how it does work when you do use it with the 42-inch option, since that is what they advertise. But what I'm doing right now is get some battery to put it inside remote, and then we'll test it out to show you guys when it actually works. Alright, so right here, the remote control. If you guys open the back part, that is what the inside looks like. So I already got my EPO battery put inside, so it's ready to start using it. So once you guys close it up, that is what it actually looks like. And you can see how they do have this option for you to hang it somewhere, hook it somewhere to keep it organized if you guys do want to. Or you can also put in the back part of the actual fan, where the handle is right here. It fits in there just right to keep it organized as well. So that should show you guys what it actually looks like. It'll be right there. But what I'm doing right now is to plug it in to test it out, to show you guys when it actually works and how it feels. So let's do plug it in. Once you guys plug it in, if you can hear the beep, it turns on. So because the product is so tall and so high, I want to turn it on the remote control first to show you guys what actually works. So once you guys turn it on, it does turn on. And the front part right here, we do have the display screen. And you can see how it does turn left and right. So that's how far it goes this way. And that's how far it goes that way. So around 90 degrees, you can see. And just to show you guys a better point of view, let me put this down on the floor to show you guys what she looks like. Alright, so once you guys put it on the floor, this is what the pot looks like. So currently I believe we have it in level 1 on the fan speed level. Yep, so we have it at level 1 right now. So it's very quiet when you guys do it in level 1. If you guys could bring it 1 speed level, this is 2. And when you guys do feel the power that's on here, it's actually pretty good. Let me try level 3. So level 3 is actually really loud when you guys do hear it. And when you guys do feel the breeze that's on here, it feels pretty nice. In terms of oscillating option, it doesn't give you guys like a very big coverage, but it does give you guys like a 90-degree coverage when you guys do use it. And like I mentioned, it does have the natural mode, the other 3 different modes or 2 different modes available. Let me bring the camera a little closer to show you guys what it actually looks like on the display screen here, to give you guys an idea, and also we'll test the button on top using the manual control instead of the remote control. Alright, so if I do bring the camera a little closer, here it actually looks like. So right here I show you guys the mode, the oscillating option, and the speed level. So right now it's level 3. Now we have a level 1. That is level 2. And level 3. If I do turn off the oscillating option, it stops moving and the logo turns off. If I do change the different mode, that is what each one looks like. So I'm assuming this is normal, this is natural or nature, and this is sleep mode. If I do press on timer option, this 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 7 is the max. And like I mentioned, if you guys want to press the button on top to control it, feel free to do so. So you definitely have the option to use the manual control or the remote control. So depending on what you guys want to use, that is totally up to you guys. But you do have those different options available. And like I mentioned, for the back part, you do have the option to put the remote right here. So that way you know where your remote control is going to be each time. So that is pretty much a close-up view of what it actually looks like, to show you guys what it actually looks like from up close. So after testing out each one of the different modes on here, and also the fan speed and also the oscillating option, you guys can definitely see everything on here definitely does work. And the power that comes out of the fan speed on here is pretty powerful. When you guys are in level 1, obviously it's not going to be really powerful and it's very quiet, which is perfect if you guys want to use it as a sleep mode option. But when you guys turn in level 3, that is very powerful and really nice to use, especially since summer is approaching. But probably one of the coolest things is the fact that how it does give you guys the option to extend it from 36 inch to 42 inch. So that we can lift it up from the ground and give you guys a lot more coverage from above. That's actually pretty cool. But now to come unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this part, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality, affordable oscillating tower fan that give you guys everything on here in terms of manual control, remote control, oscillating option, and different speed level on here. And if you guys don't mind the fact that it's not like a smart tower fan, we actually give you guys the option to control it on your phone, then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money on something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.